Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4. I welcome you all to your next class of English. As in the previous video we have completed unit 1 and lesson 1 of your Oxford Progressive English book. Today we are going to move to the next lesson of the unit 1. Okay, and our next lesson is words. Okay, unit 1 lesson 2 words. So let's start reading these new words. Listen to your teacher and find these words, then listen and repeat. So repeat with me. Crab, crab. Beach, beach. I hope that many of you have must been to a beach, right? बहुत मज़ा आता होगा आपको बीच पर, है ना? Number 3, well, well. Have you seen a well? 4th, bay. Now what is a bay? Bay is basically a body of water, mostly an ocean that is covered 3/4 by land. So have a look. ये ocean का एक part होता है, वो part जिसमें 3/4 यानी कि 3 पार्ट जो होते हैं उसके वो लैंड से यानी कि ज़मीन से ढके हुए हों. अब इधर आप देख सकते हैं कि in this picture you can see that this is the body of water. Okay, this is the big ocean and here it's the water, and this water portion is surrounded by land by the 3 sides. So this is called a bay. Seabed ये समंदर की तह जो होती है. Shark, I hope you have seen shark in a movies. Coast. Now what is coast? Coast is a part of the land that meets an ocean. ज़मीन का वो हिस्सा जो कि कहाँ से मिलता है, समंदर से मिलता हो. So this part is called coast. 8, shellfish. Now what is shellfish? I hope whenever you have you visit the beach, sometimes you find shellfish. Now what is the shellfish? जो समंदर में रहने वाले soft bodied animals होते हैं, their bodies are covered by the hard shells. Okay, and these shells are used in different things. Okay, they are also used for their insects are also used for eating, and their tough covers or the shells are also used for jewelries. Okay, let's come to the exercise number 2. Sort the words from exercise 1 into 2 groups as shown below. Now what you have to do, you have to sort all these things into groups. One is places, second is living things. यानी कि आपको places में आपको तमाम places की names लिखने होंगे. जैसे beach, one example is given. Beach is a place, एक जगह है. Then दूसरी कोई example देख लें. You have many words here, you have to write it yourself. Okay, दूसरी क्या है? Living things. You have to find out the living things from all these and write it down here. Okay, so this is your homework. I'm not going to solve it for you. You have to do it yourself. Enjoy. Okay, number 3, use the words from exercise 1 to complete the story. We have to use these words to complete this story. Okay, last Saturday we went whale watching. Every September these huge creatures swim along this part of the कहाँ पर swim करती होंगी ये? Coast. Okay, what we will write down here? Coast. ठीक है, फिर लोग जो होते हैं वहाँ पर आकर वेल को देखने आते हैं. Because every September they come to the coast. We saw 3 large groups of whales. At lunchtime we sailed back to the coast and stopped in a dash. Where did they stop? Guess what? कहाँ पर stop करते होंगे लोग? They went to the coast and they stopped on a bay. Okay, where did they stop? They stopped on a bay and had our picnic lunch on the dash. They came to the bay and then where did they have the lunch? They had their lunch on the beach. Where did they had the lunch? On beach. Then for lunch we had dash. Okay, क्या होगा? उन्होंने क्या ईट किया होगा? शेलफिश. शेलफिश क्या है? सॉफ्ट बॉडीड एनिमल्स हैं. मोस्ट पीपल हु लाइक्स सी फूड लव टू ईट शेलफिश. आफ्टर लंच वी हंटेड फॉर डैश. किस चीज़ की हंटिंग की होगी भाई? क्रैब्स. Crab is also a kind of seafood that people love to eat. In the rock pools, they move very fast. Okay, crabs move very fast. We caught about 25. कितने लिए उन्होंने? 25. When we were climbing back onto the boat, माई वॉच फेल, यानी कि जब हम वापस चढ़ रहे थे बोट में तो क्या गिर गया, वॉच. इट सैंक एंड एंडेड अप ऑन द डैश, गिर गई और नीचे कहाँ पर पहुँची होगी, गेस व्हाट, सी बेड, यानी कि ज़ाहिर बात है पानी में कोई चीज़ गिरेगी तो कहाँ गिरेगी, जाकर नीचे जाएगी तह में, सी बेड. ओके. आई वॉन्टेड टू डाइव टू गेट इन बट द कैप्टन सेड डोंट स्विम हेयर, ठीक है, मैं डाइव करके जाना चाहता था नीचे बट कैप्टन सेड डोंट स्विम हेयर, देयर इज अ डैश स्विमिंग इन द बे, देयर इज अ शार्क स्विमिंग इन द बे, शार्क जो है स्विम कर रही है एंड इट कैन बी डेंजरस. सो आई नेवर गॉट माई वॉच बैक, इसीलिए मुझे अपनी वॉच वापस नहीं मिली. ओके. देन कम टू द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4. व्हाट इज इट, phonics E and O sounds. Which sounds? E, O. Which sounds? E, O. Sort the words in the box into two groups as shown below. नीचे आपको दो बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं एंड यू हैव द वर्ड्स हेयर, यू हैव टू सॉर्ट दीज वर्ड्स. आपको दो कैटेगरीज में इनको लिखना है, ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनमें ई साउंड हो और ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनमें ओ साउंड हो. तो वर्ड्स विथ ई साउंड्स, एग्जाम्पल बीच, ड्रीम, मीन, बाकी आपने ढूंढ कर इधर लिखना है. ओके. सेकेंड, वर्ड्स विथ ओ साउंड्स, एग्जाम्पल बोट, कोस्ट, लोड. Are you getting my point, students? E sound and O sound. Where beach is a E sound, boat has a O sound. You have to arrange these words in these two groups. It is also your homework. Okay, students. I hope you all will do your homework properly and regularly. Or this video ends here. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Hope we will see you soon.